Welcome to another Loyal and Save training. To access the Campaign module, click on Loyalty, Campaigns. Click on the Add New button. Under the Auto Trigger campaign, there are 11 different types of reward types. Let's begin with the birthday coupon. Click on the drop-down menu under Reward Type and select Birthday Coupon. Under the Details tab, enter in the name of the campaign. In the description field, enter in the birthday message. Active. This flag will enable or disable the campaign. Age-restricted topics. Select age-restricted products if the campaign alerts will only go to age-verified customers. Tags. You can add a tag to identify the campaign. Next, let's take a look at the Coupon tab. From here, you will enter in the details of the birthday coupon. Coupon type. Select either a $1 off, a free item, or a percentage off. Coupon value. Enter in either the dollar amount off or the percentage amount off in the coupon value field. Header lines. Enter the information you wish to appear on the coupon. Up to 3 header lines can be selected. If you would like to add emojis to your message, press the Windows key and period on your keyboard. This will actually pull up an emoji screen. Text lines. You can add up to 5 text lines. This will be the rules for the coupon. Next, set the expiration date for your coupon. The expiration type can be set to never expired, static date, or days after issue. Once per sale, the number of times the coupon can be used by a customer per sale. If the customer has multiple coupons and you wish to apply them to the sale, toggle No, and this will provide you with either unlimited amount of coupons that can be applied to the sale, or you can also limit how many coupons can be used during a single transaction. If 0 is selected, then the coupons are unlimited. Expiration notification. This will send a notification to your customer 10 days before the coupon expires. This concludes our Loyal and Save training on how to create campaigns.